Let's start by using a level bar to measure and align the camera bracket precisely. Use a pencil to mark the holes for our screws later on. Carefully drill the wall. Make sure you are using the right drill bit size. After drilling, insert the screws to check if they fit perfectly.
Ano? Kasha? Ito. Kasha sa lahat? Isa, dalawa? Isa lang. Dahil po manipis yung paglalagyan doon at board lang siya, hindi po siya pwedeng tornilyohin. Kapag ito po kasing tornilyo na to ginamit doon, baka po mabunot lang. Kaya po, gagamitan po natin ito. Ito po ay isang special na tornilyo. Ang tawag po dito ay butterfly screw. Pasok. Tapos po ay kakabit natin itong butterfly screw. Yan. Tapos ipapasok po natin ito sa butas. Ito po ay tutupiin ng ganon. Pagpasok po niya sa butas, bubuka po uli yan. Kung ito po yung butas, hihigpit po siyang ganon.
Okay.
So, stable na po yung ating camera bracket.
Let's insert the butterfly screws one by one. You can use a power tool like this or your basic hand tools. Before tightening it permanently, make sure to align it using a level bar. Carefully insert the camera mount, then lock it with a bolt and washer. Check your horizontal and vertical alignment once again.
11.
Now let's insert our cables. After fixing the cable, let's patch all three cables at the back of our PTZ camera. LAN cable to control the camera, SDI cable so we can see our video output, power cable to power up our PTZ camera. Let's see if our PTZ camera is now working. As you can see, we have a video input, and we can control using our PTZ Datavideo camera controller. Let this diagram guide you while you set up your PTZ camera. We appreciate your constant support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thanks and see you next week!